Michelle Radley, dealer principal at Radley Cadillac. I'd like to personally invite you to come see what Radley has to offer and let us deliver a memorable experience to you.
Come test drive the 2014 XJ. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air suspension, rear, power windows with safety reverse, headlight cleaners, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, braking assist. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, heated steering wheel, cruise control, child safety locks, multifunction display, power door locks.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.